10 beings on our planet listen and relax. The tale of the 10 smallest creatures on Earth. In the vast tapestry of life, where giants roam and forests whisper, there exist beings so minuscule that they escape the gaze of mortal eyes. These are the 10 smallest living creatures on Earth, each a marvel of nature's delicate artistry, discovered through the patient toil of curious minds and the lens of the earliest microscopes. 1. Nanoarchaeum equitans. The smallest known living organism, Nanoarchaeum equitans, is a tiny archaean discovered in the fiery depths of a submarine hot spring near Iceland in 2002. This ancient creature, no larger than 400 nanometers, clings to its host like a shadow, surviving in temperatures that would scorch most life. Its discovery was a revelation, a whisper from the dawn of life itself, reminding us of the resilience of existence in the harshest of realms. 2. Mycoplasma genitalium. A bacterium so small it defies imagination, Mycoplasma genitalium was first isolated in the early 1980s. Barely 200 to 300 nanometers in size, it carries the smallest genome of any free-living organism. Like a tiny scribe, it writes the story of life in the simplest code, yet it survives and thrives, a testament to minimalism in nature's grand design. 3. Pelagibacter ubiquae. Discovered in the vast oceans in the 1990s, Pelagibacter ubiquae is a bacterium so abundant and small that it forms the invisible foundation of marine life. Measuring about 300 nanometers, it was unveiled through the pioneering work of marine microbiologists who peered into the sea's microscopic depths and found this unseen ruler of the waves. 4. Tardigrades, water bears. Though larger than bacteria, tardigrades are among the smallest animals, measuring about 0.3 to 0.5 millimeters. First described in 1773 by Johann August Ephraim Guz, these tiny bears of water are famed for their indomitable spirit, surviving the vacuum of space and the coldest ice. Their discovery was a poetic reminder that even the smallest beings can endure the harshest trials. 5. Viruses, e.g. parvoviruses. Viruses, though not technically alive by all definitions, are among the smallest biological entities. Parvoviruses, discovered in the 1960s, measure a mere 18 to 26 nanometers. Invisible to the earliest microscopes, their existence was unveiled through the advent of electron microscopy, revealing a world of unseen invaders and symbiotic partners. 6. Nanoarchaeota. A group closely related to Nanoarchaeum equitans, these archaea were discovered in extreme environments such as hydrothermal vents. Their minute size and unique biology challenged scientists' understanding of life's boundaries, discovered through deep-sea explorations and molecular detective work. 7. Prochlorococcus. This tiny cyanobacterium, discovered in 1986, is one of the smallest and most abundant photosynthetic organisms on Earth. Measuring about 0.6 micrometers, it bathes the oceans in life-giving oxygen, a silent artist painting the blue canvas of the seas with the breath of life. 8. Fairyflies, family Mammaridae. Among the smallest insects, fairyflies measure less than 0.2 millimeters. First described in the 19th century, these delicate creatures flit unseen through the air, their wings shimmering like fairy dust. They play a vital role in pollination and pest control, a tiny miracle of the insect world. 9. Nanopes. Discovered in the late 1990s, nanopes are mysterious filamentous structures found in rock formations. Measuring as little as 20 nanometers, their status as living organisms is debated, but their discovery opened new questions about the limits of life and the persistence of the smallest forms. 10. Ultrasmall bacteria, e.g. TM7 phylum. These bacteria, discovered through advanced genetic sequencing in the 2000s, measure less than 200 nanometers. They inhabit diverse environments, from human mouths to soil, often living symbiotically with larger microbes. Their discovery was a triumph of modern science, revealing a hidden world within worlds. Closing reflection. Thus, dear Lily, these 10 tiny marvels, though invisible to the naked eye, are giants in the story of life. Each was uncovered by the patient gaze of science, revealing secrets whispered in the smallest corners of our world. They remind us that greatness is not measured by size, but by the profound impact one can have in the grand symphony of existence.